What's up, guys? This is the Big Indian Traveler. Actually, Kumar is actually dropping me to the airport. I'm flying to Pokhara, so I was just asking Kumar, what should I do in Pokhara? Kumar, what should I do in Pokhara?
You want to go Pokhara? Is Sarangkot is a very beautiful area.
Really?
Then you want to go lakeside.
Lakeside.
You want to stay then lakeside. You want to go Sarangkot. Then you want to go Dambus. Dambus is a very beautiful. Then height. Then you want to like cool? Yeah, not cool. I don't know.
I don't like cool. What?
Yeah,
I don't
cool.
like cold. No. I'm done with the cold already.
Dambus is a very cool area. Then you can see the nearby then mountain.
Nearby.
Look.
Which mountain can I see from there?
Then Ganesh Himal. Then Annapurna Himal.
Okay.
Then you can see. Then this one is the first time is King House. You know.
King House.
This one is King's.
Kingsway. We are on Kingsway right now.
Then you want state building is the first time is a King House. Then
No. Tell me about Pokhara, not about Kathmandu. I've already seen all of Kathmandu.
Little bit then see then Kathmandu.
Kathmandu. Okay.
Yeah.
But what do you suggest? What is the best place for you in Pokhara? When you went to Pokhara, what was the best place?
Best place is the Sarangkot.
Sarangkot.
Yeah.
What is Sarangkot?
Sarangkot, you wanna very nearby. Then you wanna see then mountain. Then everything is no dust. All is clean.
Okay.
Then very nice area is Sarangkot, sir.
Very nice area.
Yeah.
I want to visit Sarangkot because Kumar is suggesting me to go to Sarangkot. So I have to visit Sarangkot.
Then you wanna go Dambus, sir.
Dambus.
Dambus.
What
Is a Pokhara. Then like I don't know 1,000 then 2,000 meter height. Then
mountain. You mean it's
nearby, nearby you wanna see then mountain.
Okay.
Very cool area like this. You wanna go Dambus, then any part eating, then no problem.
Okay.
Dambus is very strong.
Dambus
area.
and Sarangkot. That's what I should visit in Pokhara. And when was the last time you went to Pokhara, Kumar?
7-8 years then.
7-8 years ago.
Yeah.
Come with me to Pokhara. Let's go together to Pokhara.
Yeah, now is a little bit my sister is just married. Then I'll go important, then married.
Are you going for the wedding?
Yeah.
Oh wow. That's good. So, and what is there some special food in Pokhara that I could try?
Every part is Kathmandu, then Pokhara is the same food.
Same food, so no
same
different food.
No different food.
Okay.
You wanna like everything food, then dal bhat, tarkari, then you want mutton thali.
Mutton thali, that's my favorite. You know that. We've been eating a lot of thalis these days.
Yeah.
Me and Kumar always going and eating mutton thali, and Kumar also loves mutton. That's good. So, yeah, how long is it gonna take now to the airport? I think there's a lot of traffic today, isn't it?
Yeah. This time is a little bit different. Number plate, then driving Kathmandu. Then today is no traffic, just little bit traffic.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll maximum then 25 minutes, minimum then 15 minutes. I don't know how many time then I'll take airport.
Okay. And what time did you wake up today? Did you wake up early today?
Yeah, morning 7 o'clock I didn't walk then.
7 o'clock?
Yeah.
Wow, you're an early waker, huh, Kumar? What did you do after you woke up?
Evening time 6 o'clock, then 7 o'clock all is finished then.
So you slept, and what time did you sleep last night?
I'll sleep is last night 10:35.
10:35, exactly. 10:35.
Yeah,
Kumar slept at 10:35. So you watch the time on your phone, 10:35, and now I'm going to sleep.
Then I'll go house, then I'll make then rice, then every rice, then vegetarian. Then I'll make, then I'll little bit see, then Facebook, then Messenger.
Okay.
Then I'll eating, then washing, then all is clean. Then I'll sleep.
Because right now you're staying alone, your wife is not here.
Yeah.
That's why it's you have to do everything right now by yourself.
Always my family is go then village side.
Yeah.
Then celebrate, then I don't know, married. marriage
For your
celebrate.
sister's wedding, you mean to
Yeah,
say?
yeah.
Okay. And when are you going for your sister's wedding?
After 3 days later, then I'll go.
Yeah,
Then I'll stay 4 days. Then I'll return back Kathmandu.
Kathmandu. Because when I come back to Kathmandu, I want to see you, Kumar.
Yeah. Okay.
You have to come to pick me up at the airport, and then we have to catch up and we have to
Yeah.
do something interesting.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, we are gonna go drinking together. We have to have a couple drinks together. Next
Ah.
time I come to Kathmandu.
You wanna come back? Then my house. Then one day lunch. Then you wanna like beer.
Beer.
Yeah.
Which is the famous beer in Kathmandu?
Kathmandu is a beer. Tuborg. Then maximum Kathmandu is a famous beer. Is a Nepal is a famous. Then Everest. Then
Everest.
Nepal Ice.
Nepal Ice.
Yeah.
You gotta drink it with some ice. too.
Yeah. Nepal Ice is a Nepali made. No, every country is made them.
Okay. But why don't you come with me to Pokhara? Let's go Pokhara together. Let's take the car and go to Pokhara.
I know. Then I have a sister is married. Then after 4 days later, then I'll go important is a marriage.
And what are you gifting your sister for the wedding?
Yeah, I don't know. I'll give you 10,000 rupees just.
Okay, in an envelope, and then
Yeah,
you just
yeah,
give it
yeah,
as a gift.
yeah.
That's very kind of you.
Ah,
Is your real sister or cousin sister getting married?
yeah. I'll not real sister, cousin sister then.
Uncle's daughter
Yeah,
or
yeah,
something.
yeah.
And she's in the village.
Yeah.
Which village?
Village is now is the new airport is making then Nijgarh. You know.
Nisgad. No, I haven't heard.
Nijgarh
about
is nearby Hetoda, then nearby Birganj.
Hetoda. I've seen Hetoda when I was the other day. I had gone to Chitwan,
Yeah.
and I'd seen Hetoda on the way.
Yeah. I
So
know.
it's close to that.
Yeah, Hetoda then Chitwan is closed then, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're gonna go there after 3 days. Okay. That's
I'll go
interesting.
3 days then Hetoda,
Yeah.
then I'll go 1 day Nijgarh,
Yeah.
then return back Kathmandu, sir.
Return back Kathmandu. Okay. And what are you gonna wear for the wedding? Are you gonna wear some nice suit for the wedding, or
Yeah.
sherwani, or?
I'll go then male people then married, then I'll make up, then all is suit.
You're gonna wear a makeup for the wedding.
Yeah.
Kumar, are you gonna wear a makeup for the?
makeup, then
What makeup are you wearing?
I like then little bit, makeup. Then I'll use suit.
No, Kumar, you haven't answered my question. No.
Sister, marriage time is I'll not make up. Then I'll just.
After the marriage, you're gonna wear the makeup.
Yeah.
What makeup are you gonna wear?
Any people then make up. Then I'll go then married.
Guys, Kumar wears makeup. I did not know that. Are you wearing makeup right now?
Now he's not making.
Because you're in front of the camera now. No. So what makeup? What makeup are you gonna apply, Kumar?
Then I'll save dari,
Shave, yeah.
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 I'll save, then little bit making, then wash, then sabun, then wash mouth, then I'll Fair and Lovely, then little
Fair
bit.
and Lovely,
Yeah.
you want to look white and fair. If you guys don't know, Fair and Lovely is something that they use in India, in Nepal, in Pakistan, Bangladesh,
Yeah.
like all these countries
Yeah.
around India. Fair and Lovely is used by most of the people because they don't like tanned and brown skin. So they apply this Fair and Lovely on their face to look a little
Yeah.
bit more whiter. So you want to look a little bit more whiter.
Yeah.
So that's your makeup, Fair and Lovely.
Little bit I'll make up, then little bit white, white.
Oh.
Yeah. Looking for all these ladies, then looking for good,
But you have a wife, Kumar. What ladies are going
White, then no problem, sir.
But you want ladies to look at
Another
you.
ladies then looking for, hey, Kumar is very beautiful, handsome bro,
Oh my God, Kumar. But you have a wife, Kumar. Other women should not look at you. I mean, does your wife has a problem that if other women look at you, Kumar?
No problem, sir. I have a wife, then 2 daughters, one son, then no problem.
You want to look fair and lovely?
Yeah. Any people, then I'll go walk, then any side go, then Kumar is very beautiful,
Oh my
Yeah.
God, Kumar, the most beautiful man
Yeah.
of Kathmandu. So, when are you going to stand for elections? Everybody's asking me that question.
I Then I don't like then election. Then I don't like then every politician people.
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
Yeah.
You have to stay out of it. You're good as how you are. You are a very, very beautiful human being. Okay, but so Fair and Lovely is the only makeup that you're gonna wear.
Fair and Lovely. Then another is everything, sir. I'll then Nepali Jau. You know Jau?
No,
I don't
no.
know Jau.
What is
Nepali Jau? Then I'll washing then face.
Yeah.
Then you know is everything is open. Then I'll use Fair and Lovely. Then
So you're gonna
looking
open.
very good.
You're
yeah.
gonna open the pore of your
Yeah,
face,
yeah.
and then you're gonna look very, very good for the wedding.
Yeah.
I'm afraid, Kumar, there are a lot of ladies who are gonna follow you around in your sister's wedding,
Yeah.
and your wife is gonna be very, very jealous then.
No,
Kumar is
because-
looking very beautiful. All the ladies are keeping an eye on Kumar. Wow, very good, Kumar. It's awesome that you really look after yourself and you want to look good. That's very, very good.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. And what's the plan next? What are you gonna do today?
Today I'll go then.
Buy some Fair and Lovely.
No. Today I'll go then hospital.
Okay.
Then I have a coronavirus. Then little problem.
You have coronavirus.
Now is after
Kumar, you have coronavirus. No.
after 2 months later then I'll virus problem.
You want to
Then-
check yourself? You mean to say?
I'll go then hospital. Then I'll take then report. Then I'll claim insurance. You know.
But I just make it clear for everyone. You don't have coronavirus.
Yeah. Now is all is good. Then.
No, Kumar does not have coronavirus. It was a misunderstanding. Okay, so don't think Kumar has coronavirus because everybody is gonna look at you in Tamil and say,
yeah.
Kumar, you have coronavirus. They will run away from you.
Yeah, no problem, sir. Every people is a coronavirus. Then stay 15 days. Is stay then hospital. Then return back. Every
Yeah.
people is no problem.
So you're gonna just check yourself that you're
Yeah,
fine
yeah,
and
I know.
you are fair and lovely for the wedding and beautiful man for the wedding.
Yeah.
Wow. So how long still to the airport? Are we getting there soon? This ride is very, very interesting. I don't want to. You can drive a little bit slow. We can go a little bit slow to the
Yeah,
airport.
I'll 5 minutes. Then I'll drop you. Then airport.
Yeah.
You wanna go which one airlines?
I go with Buddha Air.
Buddha Air.
Yes.
Buddha Air is domestic airlines.
Domestic,
Very
terminal.
nice airline, sir.
Really?
Buddha Airlines.
Okay, it's my first time I'm traveling with Buddha Air actually.
Yeah.
So let's see how the experience is like, because it's just a 25-minute flight to Pokhara. I mean, I think it's the shortest flight that I'm taking from Kathmandu.
Yeah.
I've never ever taken a 25-minute flight.
Yeah.
That's so interesting. Like you're just gonna take off and then land pretty soon. So I want to see what it looks like. It would be very, very interesting if you really would have come with me to Pokhara, Kumar, and we could have had a road trip to Pokhara. But I think when I come back to Kathmandu, we can have a small road trip somewhere. If you have some time, and then if you could show me around somewhere. Do you want to do that? When I come back, we go for a small road trip.
Yeah, I don't like then a small road. A small road then.
No, small road trip.
Yeah. I'll go a small road trip. Yeah.
Road trip. Let's go together when I come back from Pokhara.
Yeah, okay.
All right. So where are we right now?
I'll take then already airport main gate.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then I'll go domestic flight. Then 2-3 minutes. Then driving. Then take up airport domestic airports.
All right. So we are arriving the airport right now, domestic airport. So I'm gonna take my flight to Pokhara, and I'm gonna see you guys later on. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe. See you guys later. Say bye, Kumar.
Bye, sir.
So you're gonna see Kumar later on in the videos as well.
Best block you wanna go then Pokhara, then return back. Yes.
It's asking you to drive slow.
Yeah. This one.
Yeah.
Security people then tuck you.
Yeah.
Slow drive, then you wanna go.
Yeah. Perfect. All right. See you guys later. Bye-bye.
Okay, have a nice day.
Bye.